Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Perry and I lead Quillbot's education program. Quillbot is an AI writing platform designed to help you improve your writing skills. In this 2-minute demo, we'll be taking a look at our grammar checker. To create this tool, Quillbot's AI was trained on grammar rules both common and obscure. Same with spelling and punctuation. The grammar checker also helps you understand and correct for errors in word use. Think homophones like there, the contraction, their possessive, and there as in the place. And then other things like effect with an A versus effect with an E. Let's take a look at a couple examples of the grammar checker in action. If we paste in our text, in this case maybe a hastily drafted email to a friend, Quillbot will highlight any errors that it finds. Here we can see there are some errors with homophones like the possessive your and the contraction your. Some other issues with contractions, things like missing or unnecessary spaces. Great and great, more instances of word misuse. Some incorrect verb tense, issues with commas, apostrophes, and punctuation mistakes and missing hyphens. You can choose to review each error individually to see suggestions for changing it, or you can address them all at once with the green button at the bottom of the page. You can copy the corrected text to your clipboard, export it, or even send it to the paraphraser if you want to further refine the language, style, or tone. In my workflow, I like to edit for content before I use the grammar checker as my final polishing step, but sometimes those grammar-related errors will prompt me to rework a small section, so I really like being able to move right over to the paraphraser. Fun fact, the paraphraser outputs are already grammatically correct. Let's revisit word misuse errors. A tricky one for many is effect with an A versus effect with an E. And the long and the short of that debate is that effect with an A is most often used as a verb, while effect with an E is usually a noun, like it is here in our example. Unfortunately, there's still a lot of nuance to this for the less common uses of some of these words, but that's why having an AI-based grammar checker like Quillbot's is so helpful. To use the grammar checker, go to quillbot.com/grammarcheck and paste in the essay or blog post or whatever it is that you're writing. Quillbot will automatically review your work and highlight any errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, or word use. Then you can review the feedback, address the errors, and decide if you want to rework anything by moving it to the paraphraser, or if you're satisfied, you can finish your project with confidence and turn it in.